I'm Joke Smith and I'm 12 years old and this is my bike check. Starting up top I have ODI Team Young grips, yeah they're quite nice. Odyssey bar ends, I ride a one brake and that's the back brake on the right hand side because I do tyre grabs and seat slaps and T-bogs and everything with my left hand. It's a rush brake lever, yeah quite good. Sunday bikes cable and same grip on this side. ODI chromo bars, these are quite big. I'm putting my S&M bars on my other bike onto this soon. Blue Sunday stem, yeah, quite a nice stem, nice colour. Forks Odyssey chromo light, yes, so the light, one stage lighter. The front wheel is Odyssey, yes, spokes as well and hub. Tyre is Odyssey and it's a street / dirt tyre, which is good. Sunday frame, Sunday Gary Young Expert frame, sealed front mid bearings and sealed upper class bearings, gyro holes all the way down to seat clamp is Sunday, blue, same colour as the rims. Seat is Odyssey, pivotal. Seat post is We the People, which is tiny, which is a pretty good seat post because it's really light. Cranks are Odyssey Sunday, I'm not sure, but pedals I know they're Odyssey twisted plastic, see-through, yeah. Back brake, yeah, as you can see. Back wheel is Odyssey cassette hub, Odyssey spokes and Odyssey rim. Back tyre is Odyssey, and that's my bike, people. And goodbye.